Hey guys, this is Pablo here with Beaver Toyota with your Car Tip Tuesday. Here we're going to be talking about the Key TouchPad. So to begin with, I'm going to go ahead and tell you about the reset button that's on the back of every single one of these keypads. So right on the back of this keypad, you're going to have a tiny little button that you're going to click and reset the password. For this example, we're going to use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here, you're going to click any number here, click in your code, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it's going to unlock the driver's side for you. But if you want to unlock all the doors, what you're going to do is you're going to read through your code, right? Once you hit the last digit, you're going to hold that for about 2 seconds and it's going to unlock all the doors on your vehicle. And then to lock your vehicle, all you're going to do is you're going to hold, as it says here, 3 and 7 down, and that'll lock the vehicle. And this is your Car Tip Tuesday. Once again, this is Pablo here at Beaver Toyota, and we wish you a happy holidays.